Hello everybody. Uh, Today we'll see how to install Docker in AWS environment. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Go to YouTube, search for Happy Tech Trainings, and then click on the subscribe button. So I hope this video will help you. Okay, let's start the session today. So I am going to AWS login. So here I am logging in. So I'm logging in. So I'm going to ec2 instance. So what I'll do is I'll create an instance, fresh instance. So here launch instance. Click on launch instance. So if you have not seen the if you don't know how to launch the instance, please watch my video on how to create a instance in AWS. So there in detail I have kept it here. So I'm choosing the marketplace. So today we'll install um, Docker on CentOS 7. Okay, so you can use any flavor of Linux. So continue, and then next configure. So here we will not do anything. The storage will make it as 30 GB hard disk, no tags. So this one, so we can choose the existing or okay, let's create a new security group. So I'll create Docker install. Okay, this is the security group. So I'm just copy and pasting. You can give any name, guys, here. So this is my security group. Then I'm going ahead, review and launch. So launch here. So don't forget to download this. So existing. So I'm creating a new key pair. So here I will give docker -install. Okay. So download this. Don't forget to download because with this only we are able to connect to the instance AWS instance. Okay. So I have downloaded that docker-install.pem. So now launch instance. So our instance might be launched. So it will take maybe half a minute. Meanwhile, we'll get ready with our other things. Open a puttygen. So this is a PM file. So we have to convert that PM file to PPK file. So our PM file is in downloads. So I'm clicking on downloads, select all, and it will show here docker-install is the file which we have. So it has successfully imported. Just save private key. Are you sure want to save? Yes. So what I will do, I will create a folder here, Docker. So here I am putting my file, Docker install. Okay. So I'm saving it. That's it. Close it. Puttygen is over. So if you see here, our instance is running now. So our instance is running. So you just click on this. Then you will be able to see one IP for public IP. Copy this. Now open putty. Go to putty. and then put the host name here, and then go to connection SSH, and then here there is inside SSH there is auth. Choose the file which we have created, converted ppk. So I have kept my ppk here. So that's it. Now go to session again. So this is the public key which we have copied from AWS. Click open now. So it is opening now. So the username is centos, is because our instance is centos. That's all guys. Now it is we are able to log into AWS ec2 instance. So now we have to switch the user sudo -i. So I'm switching. So to know which user I am, who am I, you type. So now I'm a root user. To install Docker, we have to be root user. Root user. So what I will do, I'll go to install Docker. How to install Docker on CentOS. So we'll go to Docker documentation only. We'll not look at other documentation. So before that, what we have to do is, so m update -y we have to do to update the repositories. So this might take maybe a minute or so. So let it go on. So meanwhile, what we will do is we'll go through the Docker installation docs. So if you see here in Docker engine, so we have different flavors of installation. Docker on CentOS, Docker on Debian, Docker on Feroda, Ubuntu, all this using binaries also we have. So we can, as because we are installing on CentOS, I have chosen the CentOS. So these are the steps we have to follow on CentOS. So let this finish. So once it is finished, then we will start the installation steps. So this is the command for if you have already Docker in your machine to uninstall it. So we don't have Docker, right? It's a fresh installation. So we will not be using this. And then the installation methods. So once we are done, we need to do this. So we'll follow this. So let us see. So this will take some maybe 1-2 minutes. So this is the one-time activity, guys. So we don't need to do every time. So once we are done with this, hopefully, so we'll be able to continue Docker. So what is the command which because of which it is doing all this? Yum update -y. Yum update -y. Let me write somewhere that you will understand. Yum update -y. So what I will do, I will summarize everything. First, what we have done, we have created the ec2 instance, and then connected using putty. So in between, we have converted PEM file to PPK file. So if you want to know all those processes, I have created a separate video for that. You can go through it. And then yum update -. So we have connected, logged in using CentOS user. And then we have switched to root user, right? So this is the other step we have done. So let us see, guys. So it is going on. So now we have switched the user using which command? Sudo -i. This is the command using which we have switched the user. So and then what I have done, I am updating my repository as because it's a fresh installation of this one, right? AWS. So that's why I have yum repositories I'm updating. So once after this, we can install the Docker. So I hope you understood these steps, right? Create ec2 instance, connect using putty, and then log in using the username centos. Username is centos. If it is Debian, I think Debian is the username. And just switch the user and then do sudo -i before executing any command. It's done, guys. Now what we will do, so I will clear this and then, so I'm going to Docker installation page. So copy this. We don't need to copy the sudo because we have already switched the user. So this, it will say nothing to do because just now we have updated the repository, right? And then we have to do this config manager repo. We have to create a config manager repo. So this I'm creating, done. So now, so this nightly and all we don't need to do. So that's all. Then go to Docker engine. This is the Docker engine which we have to start it. So install the Docker engine. So in between it will ask for, is this okay? So you type yes, Y. And one more time it will ask, type Y. So this also will take maybe 30 seconds. Once it is done, almost where Docker installation is done. Okay, Docker installation is done. Then if you go little down, so we have to start the Docker engine. So this is the command for starting the Docker engine. So I'm starting it. And then the same way, so this command is not there. So just give enable instead of start. So systemctl enable Docker. That's all. So now Docker is ready. Check whether your installation is correct, completed or not by using this command, Docker version. So it will show you what is the version, all the stuff. So that's it, guys. I think this is the Docker installation. I hope this will help you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Type Happy Tech Trainings in the Google search and you will get it. Subscribe it. So you'll get the notification. You can click on the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.